Welcome back to Mad Life. Well, today we're off to a body shop. We're going to go and meet our friend Paul. Now, Paul used to own a modified 350Z, seriously low, black. You can see it over here. I'm sure you saw it at many shows. Well, he sold that on now and he's going in a totally different direction. He's bought himself a 1973 Dodge Charger Rallye. Now, this is an amazing vehicle. It's a 383 big block engine. But when he got it, as you can see from the pictures over here, it required a little bit more body work and nice paint work and bits and pieces like that. So Paul didn't go half-hearted. He's booked it into Illusions and Restorations, and they're doing a lot of the work. Paul's doing some of the work himself, but what we're going to do is we're going to catch up with him today, have a quick look around the car, and then we're going to catch up with him again when it's completed, all painted and looking pristine. Okay, well, let's go take a look. Welcome back to the Uterus Garage. Today we're going to
Wow, what an awesome contour line. Didn't really show up on the original colour. I know what the new colour is, which I can't let you know yet, but it's going to absolutely pop. It's going to look amazing. Also, check out the classic Volvo over there in the corner. You really can't get the sheer size of this vehicle. When I first walked in, it absolutely blew me away of how big this car really is. Paul also explained how the original side markers at the back of the car and at the front of the car were actually smoothed off. So Paul's actually restoring that back because he likes the original look. I mean, again, that line that goes all the way down the car is just fantastic. Wow, this is a super long bonnet. What's under it, I hear you ask? Well, it's a 6.3 litre 383 big block engine. Wow, what a machine. Well, you can see there's a long way to go, but when this is finished, it is going to be a major contender. It is an absolutely awesome machine, and I can't wait to see it finished. You will see that in another video. We will come back, we will revisit when this car is finished. Thanks to Paul for letting us walk around this car while it's under restoration. And thank you to Illusion Restorations for letting us walk around their workshop. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that subscribe button and turn on your notifications so you don't miss the next step of this car. See you all very soon.